Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, please subscribe, comment, like, and let me know what you think. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you, literally. In this video we are talking about my eyebrows. I mean, can you see how cute it is? Hello. Yeah, so in this video that's what I'll be doing. I'll be showing you guys how to do my eyebrows. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started and jump straight into it. See my eyebrows, they're a little perfect, let me say that. But yeah, I'll be using this got to be glue something, freeze something, just for my eyebrows to give it a little more of a, oh shit, my laptop is right there, just to make sure that it stays in place. Can you see that? It's like my eyebrows are literally, they're literally up and ready to conquer the world. Basically, I will be using this twist and shape eye pencil. It's a pencil, what the fuck, and it has this little tiny cute brush that I just used to shape my eyebrows. And so I will just be using that to do my eyebrows. The way I do it, I start from the end going forward on into the middle of my face, and I don't fill in all my eyebrows, just literally where it's missing, where the hairs are missing, that's what I do. And I'll go down here, just give it a little line to fill in that space as well. Can you see that? It's literally that easy. 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes for one eyebrow. Then I will go in with the pencil again, shape it in, just to make sure that it looks as natural as possible. Hailey, vi har ikke lyst til at lyde som nogen der lige er kommet ud I don't know what just yet. So the hair on my face, my eyebrow, they are literally in place. Can you see that? And I will try to go with the other one, the other side, so you can see what I'm doing. So basically I start from here going, and I'm not filling my entire eyebrows because that is not the point here. So I would just be filling in where I feel like the ears are missing, and they have to look like twins or sisters, at least blood related, because I feel like, now I'm not here to discriminate anybody's eyebrows, I'm not a professional makeup artist, but some people when they do their makeup, I'll be looking and be like, oh my dear Jesus, please help me, my eyes are hurting. Like, sis, your one brow is going this way, the other one is going the other direction. I don't understand why, but yeah, okay. So let me just go in and fill in my eyebrows so you can see the rest of it. I feel like my eyebrow needs a little shape. Can you see the one goes like that and down? And that one has to literally give me the same vibe. I don't care, today's by 5 by 4s. Just like while you're doing this side, you have to do it on the other side as well. It's math, you know. I will go in and brush my eyebrows, starting from the front actually. What do you guys think? Hi, Chineke. For shaping my eyebrows properly, I will use this little makeup brush, and I have had this makeup brush since I was 16, so don't ask me where it's from, I have no damn idea. And what I use for shaping my eyebrows is actually a concealer, but not this type of concealer, but a darker one, because I want it to look as natural as possible. But using this will leave those yellow lines under my eyebrows, and that's not what I'm trying to achieve here. So I'll put like a little tiny amount of concealer. Can you see that? That's literally what I might add more depending, but this is what I will use to begin with. And oh shit, Then we'll just go ahead, and this point I will start from the middle over there. Yeah, and by the way, I bought these on Amazon. I think it was €3 using budget. So, and the eyebrow pencil, I bought it for 29 Danish krona. That's like €4, not more than €5 at least. So far we have used 8, 7, 8, 9 euros in total. It's not that much. So yeah, so basically I will just go ahead and try to shape it the way I want it to. Here from top, I don't start from here, I start in the middle, like right there, and just going downwards. Can you see that? Boo. You over here doing this shit like a professional. Can you imagine? Like, sis, can you see that? Anyways, and then we have this side, the right side, and anyways, then I will go back with this brush and just try to brush it out as much as possible. Then I will go in with it's like more of an eyeshadow brush, and just brush the remain concealer under and above the eyebrows, because that is the point. Just like that, and that is actually my eyebrow tutorial.